Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. So let's start our class, okay? Today's topic is odd number, okay? And your lecture number is 15. You have a homework today. Your homework number is 15 for the annual term examination. I have written already the 3 questions on the board, but before that we need to know what is odd number. Okay, it's your CW class. Your topic is odd numbers and there are 3 questions, 1, 2, 3. Before that you need to know what is the odd numbers. My dear students, which number can't make the pair, that number is called an odd number. I repeat again, my dear students, which number can't make the pair, that number is called the odd number. I am writing the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now we can write down the sticks. For 1 there will be 1 stick. For 2 there will be 2 sticks. For 3 there will be 3 sticks. For 4 there will be 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my dear students, let's introduce you what is odd number. Only 1 stick can't make the pair, because pair means how many things? Pair means 2 things. So 1 can't make the pair. 1 can't make the pair. Can't make a pair. That's why 1 is odd number. Okay. But my dear students, the next number is 2. 2 can make the pair, because we know that a pair means 2 things. That's why 1, 2. So it is makes a pair. That's why 2 is not an odd number. The next number is 3. Look, my dear students, 3 can make a pair here. 1 and 2, these 2 things can make a pair. But this 1 stick is left alone. That's why this 3 is not an even number. That means this 3 is an odd number. Okay. Because which number can't make the pair, that number is called odd number. That's why 3 is also an odd number. Like this way, my dear students, we have already known in the half-yearly examination that the 3, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These 5 digit or these 5 numbers can't make the pair. Okay, from 1 to 10, this 5 number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 can't make the pair. That's why the number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is odd numbers. And we know that which number has in the ones place this 5 digits, any one, that number will be our odd number. I repeat, my dear students, which number has in the ones place any one of these 5. That means which number has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in the ones place, that number will be odd number. Like this one, suppose this is 66, this is 68, this is 67. So between these 3 numbers, which one is the odd number? Look very carefully. I said you that which number has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in the ones place, that number will be odd number. So these digits are here in the ones place, 6, 8 and 7. In among these numbers, the ones place digit are 6, 8 and 7. And look at the circle, the 1 in the ones place will be our odd number. 3 in the ones place will be our odd number. 5 in the ones place will be our odd number. 7 is in the ones place will be our odd number. That means 7, we find that 7 in the ones place. That's why 67 will be our odd number. Okay. And 9 in the ones place will also be odd number. But 6 and 8 can make the pair. That's why 66 and 68 will not be an odd number. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now I am going to solve the 3 questions. I am going to solve the 3 questions. I have written down here. The first question is write odd numbers from 51 to 60. That means in between 51 to 60, the odd numbers need to write down in these boxes. Okay. So first number here from 51 to 60 is 51 is the first number. And compare here, 51 has 1 in the ones place. Okay. 51, the number 51 has 1 in the ones place, and we know that already 1 is an odd number. So 51 is also an odd number. Okay, so we can write down the first odd number from 51 to 60 will be 51. Okay, now after 51 the number comes which is 52. 52, my dear students, 52 has 2 in the ones place. That's why it's not an odd number. Okay, because 2 can make the pair. That's why 2 is not an odd number. That's why 52 is not an odd number. Okay, the next number of 52 will be 53. And we know that, my dear students, 3 can't make the pair. That's why 3 is an odd number, and also this 53 is an odd number because 53 has 3 in the ones place. So our next odd number will be 53. Okay, 53. And like this we can write down all the odd numbers in between 51 to 63 because the odd numbers comes one number later. That means 51, then it's 53. 52 is missing here. Okay, because 52 can't be an odd number because 52 can make the pair. Okay, so our next odd number will be 55 because there will be 54 will be omitted. Okay, 54 can be odd number. 53, then 54 omitted, then 55 will be our odd number. Okay, 55. Then after 55 the odd number will be 55, then 56 will be omitted because 56 can make the pair. So 56 can be odd number. Then next number will be 57. 57 will be our odd number, and the next odd number will be 59 because 59 has 9 in the ones place, and we know that which number has 9 in the ones place, that number will be our odd number. Okay, and after 59 the number is 60. 60 can make the pair because 10 can make the pair. Okay, that's why in the place of ones it will be 0, so it can make the pair. That's why it can be an odd number. Okay, so our odd number is done here. That means the odd number in between 51 to 60 is 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59. Okay, like this answer we will answer all the questions. Okay, the next two questions are so easy if you have understood this one clearly. The next question is write odd numbers from 71 to 80. 71 to 80 we need to write down the odd numbers, and the odd numbers are, my dear students, the first number 71 will be our odd number because 1 is our odd number. Okay, then the next odd number will be 73 because 3 is our next odd number. Then our next odd number will be 75 because after 3 our next odd number is 5. Okay, so 75 will be our next odd number. After 75 the odd number is 77 because after 5 our odd number is 7. Okay, and our last odd number in between 71 to 80 will be 79. My dear students, because of 9 is our odd number, that's why when we have 9 in the ones place, this number will be our odd number. Okay, the last question is write odd numbers from 81 to 90. Like these two questions, we will solve this one easily. 81 is the first number and 81 will be odd number because 1 can't make the pair, and we know that 1 in the ones place is odd number. Okay, again the next number is 83 because 3 is in the ones place will be odd number. Okay, 83, our next odd number will be 85. Like this way, after 85 our next odd number will be 87, and our last odd number in between 81 to 90 will be 89. I hope, my dear students, you have understood how to solve the questions of odd numbers. Okay, and I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Your homework, you have a homework. Your homework number is 15. Please, my dear students, mention the HW number in your left top corner of the HW copy. Okay, and do the HW properly in your HW copy. Please submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.